Welcome back to our YouTube channel EzyMentor. So here we are going with new set of charts, and these are different varieties of charts. So let's move and see how to create varieties of charts in Excel. So I'm going to copy paste this pivot table to the down, and I'm going to change the chart type. So my field list was from C, so I want to put it. So go to pivot table, analyze, and insert field list. So you can see the field list over here. Then I want to change the criteria inside my pivot table, and I want to see a new graph. So first of all, remove all this from the pivot table, and we are going to add group into the rows. Then I want to see final exam score in the values, and I have put final exam sum in my value field settings. So you can see I have put all the sum. Using this chart, I am going to create a radar chart. Then let's go to the pivot table analyze, create pivot chart. You can see there loads of charts are visible here. So let's move like this and see each chart. While we put a chart, there should be logic in our chart. So here I am going to add radar chart into my screen, and you can see a radar chart over here. This is a radar chart. By seeing this radar chart, you can identify which group has scored more marks. So here you can see the starting from 0, this goes up to 800. So nearly group 4 scored a value of 759, which means their final exam scores, we have added all the scores of the group 4 students, and we can see their final exam sum. The sum of their final exam is 759. This is the highest score, and you can see here lowest score is for group 1. Their score is about 598, and you can see group 2 and group 3. Like this we can create a radar chart. Then we are going with another set of chart. So copy paste this data over here, and let's move to a different chart, which is we need to create a chart that we have not placed till now. So you can see change the variables, add exam result into the columns. Then we want to see here in the values, move this variable to the up and add exam result to the values. So you can see some counts over here, which means here on group 1 total there is 40 students, but you can see only 9 students passed and 5 students failed. Here 8 students passed and 6 students failed. Then here 10 students passed and 4 students failed. Here on group 4 you can see 11 students passed the exam and 3 students failed the exam. Using this data, we are going to insert a chart, and we can see this will be the chart. Over here, go through all the charts. You can see, you can identify a good chart. So I'm moving to 5. You can see I've already created a pie before, but here also you can see a 3D pie, another option, then another option, and here there is a donut chart. So click on the donut chart. Here you can see I have created a chart which is aligned like two donuts, one outer and one inside. So this is donut chart using this data. While you place over here, you can see group 1 and their percentage values. So if this chart is not more understanding for you, just filter the chart over here and see only the result of past. So you can see one chart. By this chart you can see while you are putting a filter in your pivot chart, there automatically the pivot table is also getting filtered. And you can see while you place a point over any of the labels, you can see the group 1, the students who have passed and their percentage, group 2, 8 students passed and their percentage, group 3, 10 students passed and their percentage, and group 4, 11 students passed the exam and their percentage. So like this, you can create one donut chart. Also, you can create two donut charts. So if I put the two donut charts, the chart will be like this. And while you place on any of the point, you can see this is the chart of past and this is the chart of failed. So inner shows the chart of failed one and outer shows the chart of passed one. Welcome back to my channel. The inner part shows the failed scores and the outer part shows the passed scores on each group. So this is a donut chart. Next we are going to make another chart using a different data. Before that I want to copy paste the pivot table over here. Then we are moving to the third chart, which is nothing but that a multiple bar diagram. Actually we have already plotted a multiple bar diagram, but more than like this visibility, we want to show this is also a multiple bar diagram. We want to see multiple bars. So let's move and see how to create a multiple bar diagram using this data. So I am going to add one more variable into my columns, which is nothing but that not completed. Want to see not completed in my columns. So I drag not completed into the columns. So you can see here in the rows groups, columns exam result, not completed, values, count of exam result. So the pivot chart has additional columns and everything is easily we can understand. This is about failed and this data is about past. Inside failed, the students who have completed the notes and the students who have not completed their notes. Inside past, you can see the students who have not completed and completed and their total. Using this, we are going to create a multiple bar diagram. Go to pivot table analyze, go to pivot charts. So here actually we are able to see the chart over here. So we can double click or you can move to horizontal bar diagram. Click on the horizontal bar diagram. I inserted a horizontal bar diagram and this is my horizontal bar diagram, and you can adjust the size over here. You can adjust the groups. If you want to see only one group value, you can add one group 1. So the chart moves like this. I want to change the chart to see in a multiple bars. So I have created a multiple bar diagram. So these are the methods how to create different varieties of charts in Excel, and we need to always design our chart because the chart what we are creating need a variety of look, and the chart allows our creativeness. So always create make creativeness, bring creativeness, bring some varieties of designs in our charts. So you can see our chart in a super way, and I'm putting a colorful palette of this one. This color is not much good, so I want to change the design, and I want to change to this type. It's more better. Okay then. So like this, add every charts in a different styles. Change the styles according to your perspective. So I love blue color, so I'm changing every my all my charts to blue shade. And while you are putting this all these charts in a sheet, it will be very nice to see. So I'm just changing all the colors to blue, and I will show you how will be the chart if I put it in a new sheet. And you can also practice this. So I will show now. So you can see I have copy pasted all my charts into a new sheet. So this is the final output of my charts. Actually, this is a dashboard creation, and this is not completed dashboard creation. I have just only copy pasted every charts. You can see I have gone to my analysis sheet. Just click on this chart, given Control C, copied, and I have pasted it over here. Like this, I have pasted all my charts in my new sheet. So this is a dashboard creation. So using this step, you can see different varieties of charts with same patterns of colors, and everything is very nice to see. So start to create charts using this data. Okay then, thank you for today. Bye.